Vidura College, Grade 3, English Language. Hello children, today we are going to learn a grammar lesson. Are you ready? Okay, here we go then. Do you know what our vault is today? Yes, we are going to learn prepositions and how to use them in sentences. As you all know, there are many prepositions that we use. However, today I am going to teach you only some of the basic prepositions that you might already know. They are in, on, under, near and between. First, let's learn the preposition in. Look at the flowers and the vase. Can you tell me where the flowers are? Yes, the flowers are in the vase. In the above sentence, the preposition in helps to build a relationship between the words flowers and the vase. These are two more examples. The dog is in the kennel. Here, the preposition in helps to show the connection between the dog and the kennel. The next one, the apple is in the box. Here also, the preposition in helps to build a relationship between the apple and the box. Now let's learn the preposition on. Look at the picture. The bag is on the desk. In the above sentence, the preposition on helps to show the relationship between the words bag and the desk. Here are two more examples. The doctor is sitting on the chair. The apple is on the box. The preposition on helps to show the relationship between the doctor and the chair and the apple and the box. Now let's learn the preposition under. Look at the picture. The cat is under the chair. In the above sentence, can you see how the preposition under helps to build the relationship between the words cat and the chair? Here are some more examples. The boy is sitting under the tree. The pumpkin is under the bench. Children, did you notice how the preposition under helped to show the relationship between the boy and the tree and the pumpkin and the bench? Now let's learn the preposition near. Look at the picture. The boy is near the tree. In the above sentence, the word near helps to build the relationship between the words boy and the tree. Here are two more examples. The ball is near the box. She is standing near the car. In these sentences, the preposition near helps to show the relationship between the ball and the box and the girl and the car. Now let's look at the preposition between. Look at the picture first. The bus is between the jeep and the car. In the above sentence, the word between helps to build the relationship between the words bus and the jeep and the car. Here are two more examples. The bee is between the bottles. Here, the preposition between helps to show where the bee is. The next one. The television is between the cat and the dog. The preposition between helps to show where the television is. Now children, let's see some more prepositions which are frequently used. About. Think about it and let me know. Off. Thank you for getting me off the hook. Over. We came to a stream and jumped over. Before. She left before sunrise. After. He came after me. Behind. The boy peered behind his mother. Beside. Tarindu and Nemit sit beside each other. Up. Kate picked up the plate. Down. I fell down and hurt my wrist. Into. put the bowl into the sink. Around. Let's take a look around. Across. We saw them walking across the street. At. Let's meet at 11 o'clock. Above. The kite was flying above. Below. His work is below average. Now look at these pictures. They are swimming across the river. The horse is jumping over the fence. Paul is climbing up the ladder. Two children are climbing down the stairs. Here are some more. The girl is putting her books into the bag. Anne is running around the tree. The airplane is flying above the clouds. There is grass below the clothesline. It's time to be engaged in a small activity. You should use the prepositions from the list to fill in the blanks. These prepositions can be used to fill in the blanks. On, under, in, near, between. Number 1. The car is blank the house. Number 2. The pencils are blank the box. Number 3. The girl is blank the river. Number 4. The vase is blank the table. Number 5. The bat is blank the desk. Now let's look at the answers. Number 1. The car is between the house and the tree. Number 2. The pencils are in the box. Number 3. The girl is near the river. Number 4. The vase is on the table. Number 5. The bat is under the desk. So I think you all understood the lesson today. I'll meet you soon with another new lesson. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye, children.